Climb inside the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.